Hello everyone. So today we have log x base 2 plus log s base 3 equals to 5. X is your known. So we're going to solve together. Let's seek solution. So we're going to apply the principle that says if log a base b is given, is represented as log a all over log b. So we're going to apply it here. So this very one becomes log x over log 2 plus, and this becomes log x all over log 3. This is equals to 5. So we have log s common to both times. We're going to factor it out so that we have log x, open a bracket, it will be 1 over log 2 plus 1 all over log 3, close the bracket, all equals to 5. And the next line becomes log x. If we take the LCM is log 2 times log 3. And log 2 times log 3 divided by log 2, what is left is log 3 plus, and log 2 times log 3 divided by log 3, it is left with log 2. If we close this bracket, everything equals to 5. Thank you for viewing our videos. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, please click on the subscription button. Help us to grow. Thank you. But log A plus log B is represented as log A times B. So we're going to apply this here. And the next line becomes log x. Open the bracket. Log 3 times 2 all over log 2 times log 3. Close this bracket. Everything equals to 5. And the next line becomes log x. 3 times 2 is log 6 all over log 2 times log 3 equals to 5. We can rearrange the equation as log x all over log 2 times log 6 all over log 3, everything equals to 5. So in the next line, we're going to eliminate log 6 over log 3. And to do that, it becomes log x over log 2 times log 6 over log 3 times the reciprocal of this, log 3 all over log 6. This equals to 5 times log 3 all over log 6. So that 3 cancels 3 and log 6 will cancel out. What is left is log x over log 2 equals to 5 times log 3 over log 6. And this we can write as log x base 2 equals to 5 log 3 base 6. So log s base 2 is equals to 5 log 3 base 6. But from log s base a equals to b, this can be transformed into s equals to a to the power of b. And if we agree on this, here s becomes equals to 2 to the power of this part times log 3 base 6. And this can be written also as s equals to 2 to the power of 5 to the power of log 3 base 6. And this is s equals to 32 to the power of log 3 base 6. And these are values for x. And to verify if s is equals to 32 to the power of log 3 base 6, to do that, we are going to bring in the original equation, that is log x base 2 plus log x base 3 equals to 5. So in place of s, we replace with this, so that log 32 to the power of log 3 base 6, and this is base 2, plus log 32 to the power of log 3 base 6, and this is base 3. Can this be equals to 5? And log 3 base 6 is power, so we're going to bring it down, and it becomes log 3 base 6 times log 32 plus log 3 base 6 times log 32. We want to verify if this will give us 5. And this again can be written as log 3 base 6 times log 2 to the power of 5, same thing as 32. Record this to base 2 and this base 3. And of course, this to base 2 plus log 3 base 6 times log 2 to the power of 5 base 3. Can this be equals to 5? And we can write this as log 3 over log 6 times the power will come down 5 log 2 over log 2 plus log 3 over log 6 times 5 log 2 all over log 3. Can this give us 5? And log 2 will cancel out. Again, log 3 here also will cancel out. What is left will be log 3 over log 6 plus here 5. There's 5 here. So 5 times log 3 over log 6 plus 5 times log 2 all over log 6. We want to see if this will give us 5. And 5 is common. We're going to bring out 5. Open the bracket. What's left here? The LCM is log 6. Log 6 divided by log 6 is 1 times log 3, that is log 3. Plus log 6 divided by log 6 is 1 times log 2 also, that is log 2. Close the bracket. We want to know if this will give us 5. But log 3 plus log 2 is in the form of this law, log A plus log B. So we're going to multiply 3 and 2. So the next line becomes 5 into log, and 3 times 2, that is 6, all over log 6. Can this be equals to 5? And of course, log 6 cancel log 6. 5 definitely will be equals to 5. So it is true that the value of x is correct because it satisfies the original equation where the right hand side is equals to the left hand side. Thank you for staying tuned. Before you go, please hit on the subscription button, subscribe to help us grow. Thank you. Bye-bye.